Afflicting an estimated 1/5 of North America's adult population, arthritis is one of the leading causes of disability among men and women over the age of 15.
FIRT therapy is very effective in the treatment of arthritis. The patient has to understand the reason they have arthritis is the joint is not moving properly, and thus it's inflamed. And that can be caused from a number of problems. It can be caused from an injury, it can be caused from too much weight, it can be caused from a number of factors. But what we want to do is we want to get the joint to move properly. And the way to do that is to reduce the inflammation, reduce the pain, but also restore normal function around that joint.
With arthritis patients, what I've seen is that patients who are dealing with inflammatory conditions, they often don't have a great blood flow to certain areas on their body. So their back, their shoulders, those sort of areas. So by increasing the core temperature with the infrared therapy, the blood is moving more effectively into those spaces that are not as well nourished, if you will, by the blood.
We find that the increased blood flow helps to provide nutrients and oxygen to the tissues, which then helps with healing.
It helps to relieve muscle tension and helps increase fluidity within the joints, which is why patients have pain from arthritis in the first place.
It helps to reduce the inflammation which is causing the problem. It causes the muscles that are responding to the inflammation to relax. And so through FIRT we're able to restore normal joint function and alleviate the pain associated with arthritis.
More prevalent in women than men, there are more than 100 different forms of arthritis that can seriously limit an individual's ability to work or even function in normal daily activities. Arthritis affects people of all ages and at either end of the spectrum of life. And although the prevalence of arthritis increases with age, more than half of those affected with arthritis are under the age of 65.
The results I would expect with infrared sauna therapy for my patients is, even within a course of a few treatments, so over a course of a week or two, that they really start to notice more flexibility, less pain on their daily activities, as well as just feeling a little more energy so that they do go through their day and not feel as focused on their pain.
They can move better, they find increased range of motion, activities of daily life improve. People who couldn't walk before are out having walks now. People are out dancing when they couldn't dance before, so that's pretty exciting.
Nearly 1/2 of those suffering with this painful chronic disease believe there is no therapy available to help their serious and often debilitating condition. Far infrared therapy, offered through Far North Wellness saunas and beds, is a proven, safe, and effective treatment.